The demand for COVID-19 testing is high in Hampton Roads. Here's a look at the lines in Portsmouth, stretching all the way outside. Some people told us they waited for more than an hour. Sarah Hammond tells us more about plans to expand testing in Virginia and what the CDC now says to do if you test positive.
People are on the hunt for COVID-19 tests in Hampton Roads as the holidays wind down.
This is absolutely essential if we wanted to turn this thing around.
At-home rapid tests are hard to find, and health officials say to slow down the spread of Omicron, you need to get tested after being with friends and family. And that's why all of these people are waiting in line here at Military Circle Mall to get their COVID-19 tests, including 76-year-old Gerald Edwards.
Got in line around 1:45. It took an hour to get from the original, my starting point way back there to up there.
Dr. Parham Jaberi with the Virginia Department of Health says the need for more tests is rising, and they're talking about adding another testing site in Norfolk.
But I think what this is telling us is really as the cases are rising, there's a huge demand, and I certainly think we can look more into how the state can help support more community testing events.
And now the CDC is changing its recommendation for those who get a positive result. On Monday, they cut isolation restrictions for Americans who have COVID-19 from 10 to 5 days. The CDC says the guidance goes alongside the growing evidence that people with COVID-19 are most infectious in the 2 days before and 3 days after symptoms develop. On Monday, Virginia had close to 4,500 new cases.
When you have such a high volume of new infections, it might override a real diminution in severity.
Early research suggests Omicron is more contagious than previous variants, but may cause milder illness. So with more people getting infected, these new guidelines will help hospitals, airlines, and other businesses keep going. In Norfolk, Sarah Hammond, 13 News Now.
It's still early, but scientists believe the Omicron variant is more contagious than Delta. Now doctors say it's time to break out your mask and start wearing them regularly once again.
I think we need to up our mask game because this is so contagious. If you've got to be inside someplace, up your mask. Make sure it's a KN95 or an N95 at least for several weeks while Omicron goes through the United States.
Yeah, doctors say the K95 and N95 mask offer more protection.